We are doing exercise 1.4. Continue. Question number 6 is if A equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, B equal to 7, 9, 11, 13, C equal to 11, 13, 15, and D equal to 15, 17. Find A intersection B. Intersection means common. You first of all write what is A. It is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection. What is B? It is 7, 9, 11, 13. What is common element between these two? 7, 9 and 11, they are common. 7, 9, 11. So result will be 7, 9 and 11. Okay. Other elements are not common. You have to take only common element in A and B. Okay. Now we have to find B intersection C in second part. What is B? It is 7, 9, 11, 13. Intersection. What is C? It is 11, 13, 15. So what is common? You can see 11 and 13 are common. So result would be 11 and 13. And here we have to find A intersection B union D. So first of all we have to find bracket. So B union D. B is what? 7, 9, 11, 13. And union D is what? 15 and 17. Union means mix करो, दोनों को ऐड कर दो, दोनों को मिला दो. So it will be 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. Okay. Now we have to find intersection of A and this result. So A intersection B union D is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. So what is common element? I can see 7, 9, 11 are common elements. 7, 9, 11 are common elements. Only 3 elements are common in these two sets. 10th part of this question is we have to find A union B intersection B union C. First of all, I am finding A union D. What is A union D? A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Union D is 15, 17. Union means mix और मिला दो इनको. ऐसे एलिमेंट जो A में हो और D में हो. You can take it. तो 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. We have to take 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15 and 17. इन दोनों को मिलाने से ये रिजल्ट आया. Now B union C. So B union C, B is 7, 9, 11, 13. Union C is 11, 13, 15. 11, 13, 15. If you take union of these two, result would be 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. After this, we have to take intersection of equation 1 and 2. A union B और B union C का intersection लेना. Now directly I am writing result A union D intersection B union C. What are the common elements? 7, 9, 7, 9, 11, 11 and 15, 15. They are common elements. So we will take only these elements. 7, 9, 11, 15. So this is intersection of A union D and B union C. Now you should know what is disjoint sets. अगर दो sets में nothing is common, there is no common element between A and B, well, just like Venn diagram. This is universal set, set A and set B. Nothing is common in them. So this is. So I have written definition. Two sets are called or said to be disjoint set if their intersection is phi. No element should be common. For example, set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is X such that X is a natural number more than 4 but less than 6. Natural number जो इन दोनों के बीच में है. So natural number is only here. What we can do is I am giving example. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And set B is X such that X is a natural number. It will start from 4 to 6. So this will be 4, 5, 6. What is common in them? Nothing is common. Set A is having 1, 2, 3. Set B is having 4, 5, 6. So we can say that A and B are disjoint set because their intersection is phi, null set. Whenever you get intersection of two sets, phi or null set, they are called disjoint set. Nothing is
Now we
common
are doing
in them.
some question based on exercise 1.5. Already I have explained what is complementary set. These questions are based on complementary set. Okay. So here universal set is question number 1 of 1.5. Universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and set is 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is 2, 4, 6, 8. Set C is 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to find first is A dash. What is A dash? You cannot take element of A, take remaining element of U, that is A dash. As I told you definition, already I have explained definition of A dash is X such that X belongs to U but X does not belongs to A. Actually it is U minus A. U में जो एलिमेंट है उसमें एक एलिमेंट को हटा दीजिए तो यू कैन नॉट टेक 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the remaining elements? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't take 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Second part of the question is B dash. What is B dash? B को छोड़कर remaining element of U 2, 4, 6, 8. Don't take 2, 4, 6, 8. Remaining elements are 1. Don't take 2, 3. Don't take 4, 5. Don't take 6, 7. Don't take 8 and 9. Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. Leave this even number 2, 4, 6, 8. Remaining odd numbers. These are the odd numbers. Now third part of the question is we have to find A union C whole dash. So first of all find A union C, then its dash. What is A? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Union. What is C? 3, 4, 5, 6. Union means element which are in A or C. Take, but don't repeat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to take dash of it. A union C dash. So ऐसे एलिमेंट जो A union C में छोड़कर जो U में बच गए. What are the elements which are not in A union C? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 को छोड़ दें तो 7, 8, 9. So elements are 7, 8, 9. A union B, A union C whole dash. Fourth part of the question is we have to find A union B whole dash. So first of all find A union B, then its dash. A is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Union B is 2, 4, 6, 8. Take union of these two. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Now dash of it. A union B, its dash. ऐसे एलिमेंट जो A union B में छोड़ दीजिए बचे हुए U के एलिमेंट्स. So you cannot take 1, 2, 3, 4. You can take 5. You cannot take 6, 7. Don't take 8, 9. 5, 7, 9. And fifth part of the question is A dash dash. Fifth part, first of all we'll have find A dash. Already we have taken 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then A dash again dash. तो ऐसे एलिमेंट जो 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 को छोड़कर U में बचे हुए. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As I told you, A dash dash which is equal to A. You can see A dash dash is equal to A. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now question number 4 of 1.5 is universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is 2, 3, 5, 7. You have to find De Morgan's law. Already I have explained De Morgan's law with the help of Venn diagram. Proof of De Morgan's law with the help of Venn diagram already I have explained. This part. Second part you have to do. Now question based on this. First of all find A dash, B dash, then whatever is required. So what is A dash? A dash means don't take element of A, take element of U. So leave 2, 4, 6, 8. What are the left? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What is B dash? B dash, don't take element of B, remaining element of U. So 1 we can take, 2, 3 नहीं लेना है, 4 you can take, 6, 5 नहीं लेना, 7 नहीं लेना, 8, 9. Then find A union B, then it's dash. Okay. So A union B. A is 2, 4, 6, 8.
यूनियन बी इज 2 3 5 7. ऐसी एलिमेंट जो ए में हो या बी में हो लेना है. तो 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 A union B. Then LHS of first part. We are doing first part. It's LHS. LHS is A union B whole dash. मतलब A union B को छोड़कर जो यूनिवर्सल सेट में एलिमेंट्स है, so 1 and 9. We can take 1 and 9. So LHS completed. Right hand side, you have to take A dash intersection B dash. So what is the value of A dash? It is 1 3 5 7 9. Intersection, what is the value of B dash? It is 1 4 6 8 9. So what are the common elements in these two? 1 and 9. You can see from equation 1 and 2. So we can say that from 1 and 2 it is clear that A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. So again I am telling you, these type of questions are very simple. For second part of the question, A dash or B dash already we have taken. We have got the result. क्या करना है आपको? यू हैव टू फाइंड ए इंटरसेक्शन बी निकालिए, फिर उसका डैश निकालिए फॉर एलएचएस एंड फॉर आरएचएस टेक यूनियन ऑफ ए डैश एंड बी डैश. यू विल फाइंड दैट बोथ रिजल्ट आर इक्वल. तो दिस इज वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. मैथ्स डिपेंड्स ऑन प्रैक्टिस. First of all, you can see video of complementary set. Already I have explained. Here I have explained definition. What is complementary set? Elements which are in U but not in A are called it dash. Means U minus A. U में से A को माइनस कर दीजिए. If you want to understand Venn diagram of it, so this is universal set. This is A. So this part is called A dash, complementary of A. With the help of Venn diagram, already I have explained. Okay, so try to do other questions. Thank you.